Today, I'm going to teach you how to archive and delete tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or simply organizing completed items, knowing how to properly archive and delete helps keep your project management system tidy and efficient. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where you need to manage your tasks. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Look at your panel on the left side of the screen and click on Spaces. This will show you all the different spaces you've created or have access to within your workspace. Spaces are essentially your main organizational containers in ClickUp, so this is where all your projects and tasks live. Now open the specific space where the task you want to archive is located. Click on it to expand and view all the lists and tasks within that space. This will give you a full view of everything happening in that particular area of your workspace. Once you're inside, find the task you want to archive, look to the right side of that task, and you'll see 3 dots. These dots represent your task menu, giving you access to various actions you can perform. Click on those 3 dots to open up the Options menu. In this menu, you'll see several choices. But for now, click on Archive. This action moves the task out of your active view without permanently deleting it. Archiving is perfect when you want to keep a record of completed work or tasks you might need to reference later, but don't want cluttering your current workspace. Now, if you need to bring that archived task back, here's how to unarchive it. Click on Filter at the top of your task view. This opens up your filtering options, which let you customize what tasks you're currently viewing. From the filter options, click on Archived. This will display all your archived tasks that are normally hidden from view. Find the archived task you want to restore. Click the 3 dots on the right side of it again, and this time select Unarchive. The task will immediately return to your active task list, ready for you to work on again. Once you've unarchived what you need, go ahead and close the filter to return to your normal view. Now let's cover deletion, which is permanent, unlike archiving. To delete a task, simply click the 3 dots on the right side of the task you want to remove. From the menu that appears, click Delete. ClickUp will likely ask you to confirm this action since deletion is irreversible, so make sure you really want to permanently remove this task before confirming. And there you have it. You now know how to archive tasks for safekeeping, unarchive them when needed, and permanently delete tasks you no longer require. These simple actions will help you maintain a clean, organized ClickUp workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.